Maya.
And today we're going to be making a strawberry cheesecake poke. These are the ingredients, but don't worry, they'll be on the description down below. The first step to making the cake is we're going to take graham crackers and spread it on an even layer on our tray. Now I'm going to take some, and Maya's going to take some. Oh yeah, we need to do that. Yeah, we'll cut them into smaller pieces and just put them on the corner. It's not gonna be super even, but we'll have that crunchy effect, so that's all that matters.
So guys, step 2 is we're gonna be making the batter of the white vanilla cake.
And we're also gonna be preheating the oven to 350 degrees.
So guys, while Haley's gonna preheat the oven, we're just gonna add half this.
Okay. Did you miss me?
A little more. Perfect.
Perfecto!
Now, add half the water. You have to be very careful with the water because it comes out really fast.
Perfecto! Now we're gonna add in half the oil.
Half, go. That's half, that's half.
Now this is half. Now mix, mix, mix.
This is looking good so far.
Smells delicious. So I am known for licking the spoons when they're done mixing. So you'll see me in there just like licking away. Next, add the rest.
Oh wow. Water.
Yeah, the water.
Oh, wow.
Now the rest of the oil. That came out fast. Now the eggies.
Egglets.
The eggs in here.
But there's already one, so we only need 2 in there.
2. Perfecto. Mwah. Oh wow. Mix, mix, mix.
I see the egg now.
We're done with the eggs.
It's yellow. Hi guys, this is Michaela, the birthday girl.
The birthday girl. Why does it look so yellow? Step 3, we're going to pour half the cake mix into the pan. First, ready?
What? Where'd you get that? Guys, it looks really good.
That's good. So right now we're going to pour in the cake mix. Pour.
Wait, is that half?
Maya, that's not half. Silly.
Good?
What is it?
That's good.
Guys, so we're actually going to pour in the whole thing. So
Let's get that.
give me
over here.
Give me a spoon. Spoon?
Whoa.
Perfecto.
Left over.
Make sure it's all nice and spread.
Yummy. So guys, now it's step 4. And the first thing I'm going to add is the strawberries. Now I'm going to mash it. Now the cream cheese. Oh, that's very soft. Oh, it's turning like pink, kinda.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's like a light
Okay,
pink.
so now I'm going to add in the milk.
This is like a light pink.
I'm going to add in the milk.
Doesn't they condense first?
This is red. And now we're going to add in the condensed.
The oven's ready, but first, let's finish this.
This is very sweet.
I love it. Look at the milk. It's turning like a light pink. You see it? Ew, you see that?
Yeah.
So pretty.
And you're going to mix everything till it's
smooth.
Step 5 is to put the cake batter in the oven.
But we're going to have a special helper, which is an adult.
So my mother!
Hi guys!
The cake's gonna be in the oven for half an hour. Also known as 30 minutes.
Here we go.
Bye, delicious cake. I'll miss
See
you.
you in half an hour. Bye
Bye,
guys.
guys. Hey, guys. It's been half an hour. And now my mom's going to help us take the cake out so that we can let it cool for 10 minutes.
Go.
Ooh.
It's up like a lot.
It's risen.
So beautiful. Be careful there.
It's risen.
Careful, it's really hot. Off I go.
Oh, that smells like vanilla and strawberry.
Jinx!
How do you know what I know? So while the cake was baking, we actually ended up blending our
Cream cheese and milk and
mixture
strawberry.
because it was not really getting smooth when we were mixing it.
We're gonna poke holes with these thingamajigs, right? So the mixture can soak in
The cake.
and we're gonna do 9 holes.
So let's get started.
Or 2.
So 1,
2.
2.
I'm doing 12 holes now. Let's add this. Wait, I just add on top?
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh wow, that's a really liquidy. Oh, but it's very smooth and a very nice color. Now what?
Step 6 is we're going to be letting these chill for 3 hours. 3 hours is a long time. Get out your stopwatches and your reading books. The last step is to decorate.
So I'm gonna take the frosting and
So to decorate, we have frosting, some strawberries, and some
I'm gonna do half.
crushed up graham crackers.
Now we're just gonna frost it. Hey, birthday girl!
You want to help us? Okay, so grab this too. And then grab this.
Looks yummy.
Wait, where?
Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle some of this, also known as fairy magic.
I'm gonna add some.
Come on, Maggie.
Yeah, add some too. Okay.
I feel like I'm in Neverland. Like a cake from Neverland. Sprinkle magic.
So now
Finally,
let's do
strawberries.
I'm gonna put one here.
Make an eyeball. Oh, look at that. Perfect.
Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna stick it up like that.
Like
Go to
with
my.
mud. Guess look like a house. Okay, guys, look at this. It's like
This beauty.
Wonderland.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, baby,